Bonjour. Today we're going to wrap up the vocabulary on page 125, à la page 125. There's a lot of words in this chapter. I hope you're studying them, maybe either using my videos or Quizlet to learn these words. On the bottom of 125, let's go over these words. De quoi tu as besoin? De quoi tu as besoin? Qu'est-ce qu'il te faut? Qu'est-ce qu'il te faut? Tu pourrais me prêter? Tu pourrais me prêter? À me prêter. J'ai besoin de. J'ai besoin de. Il me faut. Tiens. Voilà. And désolé. Now we're going to take a closer look at some of these words on the whiteboard here. For that expression, de quoi tu as besoin, and j'ai besoin de, that comes from the idiom, the idiomatic expression, avoir besoin de. Avoir besoin de means to have need of. So you have to use the word have when you want to say I need something. You have to say I have need of something. So to conjugate avoir, go back to page 26. We had that a long time ago. So for example, de quoi tu as besoin? Of what do you have need? That's why the DE is there, because it's in here in the original expression. I need a pencil. J'ai besoin d'un crayon. You have to put the word of in there. I have need of a pencil. Here's the negative. Nous n'avons pas besoin de papier. We don't need paper. You're saying we don't have need of paper. Okay, so this is an idiomatic expression. It takes the verb avoir and it takes the word of. So keep that in mind when you're doing the exercises for this chapter. Also in this list on 125, we have the phrase il faut, il me faut, and il te faut. This is another way of saying need. This is a little bit stronger than this expression. This comes up again in French too. In fact, I just did a video for French too that talked about these two expressions. Il me faut means I need, I really need, I guess maybe it'd be a good way to say it. And il te faut, you really need. So it's a little bit stronger than this one, okay? But it means the exact same thing. You have to have the word me in here and the word te in here. These are direct objects. On the bottom of this list, you have tu pourrais me prêter. The word prêter means to lend. And then it has à me prêter, and it has the definition to borrow. Wish they hadn't done that on page 125. Prêter means to lend, but when you have a me in front of it, to lend to me, then to lend to me is something I could borrow. Okay, so I would just be happy if you remember prêter, to lend. Don't worry about the word borrow. Okay, so those are all the little notes I have for page 125. Désolé is a good one to remember. I'm very sorry. That's a good word to remember. Voila, you're handing a paper in to your teacher. You say, voila, here it is. Okay? So those are the words from 125. On 126, we have je cherche, comes from the regular verb chercher, to look for. C'est combien, how much is it? Elle est à combien, it is how much. I'll be happy if you remember c'est combien. Merci, we've had that a million times. De quelle couleur, what color? Actually, you're saying of what color is something. Say it is, we've had that before. To say how much something cost, il est à, or elle est à. And two expressions for you're welcome. Je vous en prie means you are quite welcome. And à votre service means you are very welcome. This is used in business, in a business situation, like in a store. At your service is literally what it's saying. Your book does not teach you the informal way to say you're welcome. So please add this to your notes. The informal way is de rien. Literally, you're saying it's nothing. Rien is the word for nothing. So this is the informal way of responding to thank you, okay? You're welcome. De rien. All right, you're welcome for this video today. Au revoir.